Hello everyone, it's Jackie, and this morning I'm going to do a quick show and tell of the first 8 days of Tracy Fox's December Daily, my take on it. I've done my own thing. There's videos through December every day on her collaboration. Obviously I'll put a link underneath for that. I haven't followed the videos for my take on each day. I've just done my own thing. And I don't tend to use kits necessarily in quite the way they're intended. So you'll see as we go through what I mean. So day one is a tag with a pocket. This is one of the tags from the kit. We've got some gold glitter here and candy cane, it's red and gold glitter there, stickles. This is not a Tracy label. The day I did this, I couldn't find my Tracy labels, so I used another one. But there are loads of Tracy Fox labels that would do. And that was number one, just tied with some red ribbon. So that was one. Number two, I did this little sort of corset. So this was one of the again, I've used one of the tags from the kit as the backing. This was one of the plain tags, and I cut the bottom to match the top and then put it round as a pocket. So in the back there's a couple of bits of ephemera. Cut down one of the Tim Holtz photographs from his Christmas dolls, paper dolls kit for that. And then on the front, obviously that opens, but I won't open it. One of the images from the kit, and I've added some glitter there and a bit of ephemera. I've sort of gone down the junk journal route a bit, I guess, with these. These just eyelets holding that close. That's number two. Number three, I've gone back to some of my own tutorials. I have a playlist of tag ephemera holder tutorials, which again I'll list underneath. So I've used Book Page. This is an image from the kit. I can't remember what this is, probably a tag that I've cut down there. Again, there's a couple of images, a photograph, an image from the kit. And I think that was a tag that I cut down a little bit in size to fit in that pocket. So that was number three. Number four, I suppose with the labels, some of the colours don't go with what I want them to be. So I have used glitter glue to change the colour of some of the numbers. This number, I didn't want to add it here. So I cut the number 4 right down and put it in this little, what do you call this? Cabochon, is it? Something like that. Anyway, this was one of the red tags cut down, an image from the kit. Again, I've used Book Page to cover it. This is a bit of chiffon scarf. Green label wasn't quite long enough, so I've added a little bit of the paper on the bottom, cut from something else, one of the other ephemera pieces, and that fits in there. So that was number 4. Number 5, self-explanatory really. Again, I've mixed Book Page with the kit, bits from the kit. I've tied some ribbons up here in this sort of corally colour, which matches this. I haven't put any glitter on that one. It would look nice with a bit of glitter on, but there's a little bit of bling down here. And some lace, number 5. Number 6, I've gone back to the Nutcracker images. I love those. And this is just a little booklet. So this is from the kit. And I think it is meant to be a booklet. I cut it down a little bit. Added a dangle on the back here. And that just fits in a pocket. Number 7 is similar. Again, I've used Book Page, image from the kit, a bit of glitter and bling down here. And inside there is another pocket. I've used an old computer card and made that into a pocket within a pocket. And then number 8 is a fold down. Again, I've used bits of that chiffon scarf just torn off there. This folds down, and again I've used one of the tags, but I've cut it into a oblong shape, rounded the corners. There's a fabric pocket there, that's a bit of old handkerchief, and a clip on the side to hold it closed with a silver snowflake. So that was number 8. I don't know if I'm going to carry on and do the whole session, the whole 30 days. That's quite a big commitment for me, and I've got other things I need to get on with, like we have at this time of the year. But I will be watching all of the videos, which are amazing. So if you go to the links that I've added below and have a look at those. And thank you, Tracy, for an amazing kit, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.